Hi friends, today we are going to solve questions from 4 to 7 from the same exercise.
Exercise 2A, question number 4. Ashish deposits a certain sum of money every month in a recurring deposit account for a period of 12 months. N is equal to 12 months. If the bank pays interest at the rate of 11% per annum, given R is equal to 11%, and Ashish gets 12,715 as the maturity value of this account. Given MV is equal to 12,715, what sum of money did he pay every month? That is, we want to find the P value. For that, we are going to use MV formula. MV is equal to P into N plus P into N of N plus 1 into R, whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. So we are going to substitute the values. 12,715 is equal to, you don't know P value, so I am writing P as it is, into 12, that is N is equal to 12 months, plus P into 12, 12 plus 1, 13, and then R is equal to 11, whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Now we are going to cancel the 12 in the numerator and in the denominator. When we simplify this, we will get 12,715 is equal to 12 into P, 12P, plus 13 into 11, 143P, divided by 2 into 100, 200. Now we are going to take LCM. So 12,715 is equal to, LCM is 200, 12 into 200, 2400P plus 143P. 2400P and 143P are like terms, so I am going to add, that is 2543P divided by 200. Now I am going to cross multiply 200 with 12,715. We will get 25,43,000 is equal to 2543P. When we simplify this, we will get fixed value P is equal to rupees 1000. We are going to see question number 5 in the same exercise. A man has a recurring deposit account in a bank for 3.5 years. Here N is equal to 3.5 years. It is in years, so we want to convert it to month. 3.5 years is equal to, 3 years is equal to 36 months, half year is equal to 6 months, so totally 42 months. So 3.5 years is equal to 42 months. If the rate of interest is 12%, given R is equal to 12%, the man gets rupees 10,206 on maturity. Given MV is equal to 10,206. Find the value of monthly installments. Here we want to find the value of monthly installment, that is P. For that we want to write the formula of MV, that is MV is equal to P into N plus P into N of N plus 1 into R, whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. We want to substitute the values. MV is equal to 10,206, which equals to, we don't know P value, so I am writing it as P, into N is equal to 42 months plus P into N 42 months, N plus 1, that is 42 plus 1 43 into 12, whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Now we can cancel 12 in the denominator as well as in the numerator. Next we are going to cancel 2 and 42. Now 10,206 is equal to P into 42, that is 42P plus 21 into 43, 903P divided by 100. Instead of taking LCM, I am going to divide 903 by 100, that is 10,206 is equal to 42p plus 9.03p. 42p and 9.03p are like terms, so I am going to add these, that is 51.03p. Therefore 10,206 is equal to 51.03p. We want to find p value, so p is equal to 10,206 divided by 51.03. When we divide this further, we will get p is equal to rupees 200. Next, we are going to see question number 6 in the same exercise. Punit has a recurring deposit account in a Bank of Baroda and deposit 140 per month. P is equal to rupees 140 for 4 years, that is n is equal to 4 years, which equals to 48 months. If he gets rupees 8,092, that is MV is equal to 8,092. Find the rate of interest given by the bank. We want to find the R value. For that, we are going to use MV formula. Now we are going to substitute the values, that is 8,092 is equal to 140 into 48 plus 140 into 48, 48 plus 1 49 into R. We don't know R value, so I am writing it as R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. When we simplify this further, we will get 8,092 equal to 140 into 48 is 6,720 plus 14 into 2 into 49, that is 1372 R divided by 10. Instead of taking LCM, we can divide 1372 R by 10, that is 8,092 is equal to 6,720 plus 137.2 R. I am going to bring 6,720 to LHS side, that is 8,092 minus 6,720 equals to 137.2 R. Now when we simplify this, we will get 1372 is equal to 137.2 R. Now we are going to find R, so R is equal to 1372 by 137.2. When we divide this, we will get R is equal to 10%. Now we are moving on to second subdivision in the same question number 6. David opened a recurring deposit account in a bank and deposited rupees 300 per month, that is P is equal to rupees 300 for 2 years. N is equal to 2 years. It is in years, so we know 2 years is equal to 24 months. If he received 7,725 at the time of maturity, that is MV is equal to 7,725. Find the rate of interest per annum. We want to find R. As we know, we want to write the MV formula, then we want to substitute the values. 7,725 is equal to 300 into 24 plus 300 into 24, 24 plus 125 into R whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. On further simplification, we will get 7,725 is equal to 300 into 24, that is 7,200 plus 3 into 25, 75 R. I am going to transpose 7,200 to LHS side, that is 7,725 minus 7,200 is equal to 75 R. On further simplification, we will get 525 is equal to 75 R. I am going to find the R value, so R is equal to 525 by 75. When we divide this, we will get R is equal to 7 percentage. We are going to see question number 7 in the same exercise. Hamid deposited rupees 150 per month in a bank. That is P is equal to rupees 150 for 8 months under requiring deposit scheme. N is equal to 8 months. What will be the maturity value of this deposits? We are going to find maturity value. If the rate of interest is 8 percentage, given R is equal to 8 percentage, and interest is calculated every month. Now we are going to find interest as well as the maturity value. As we know, interest formula is P into n of n plus 1 into R divided by 2 into 12 into 100. Now we are going to substitute the values of P, N and R. I is equal to 150 into 8, 8 plus 1 into 9 into 8 whole divided by 2 into 12 into 100. On simplification, we will get I is equal to 36. Now we are going to find MV, that is maturity value. Maturity value is equal to P into N plus interest, that is I. Now we are going to substitute the values. MV is equal to 150 into 8 plus 36. Now 150 into 8 is 1200 plus 36. Now our final answer, that is MV is equal to rupees 1236.
I hope you have understand the explanation given to the question. Please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.